Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for Standard 5 English, chapter number 2, that is friendship. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the question answer. First one, what had John's mom prepared when he came home from school? John's mom had prepared some cookies when he came home from school. Now the second, give the meaning of the following word. Aroma, it is sweet smell. Third one, write the correct option in the box given. It is John's mother had made sweet cookies. It's option number D. Who said the following to whom and when? Something smells good. John said this to his mom when he came home from school. Next question answers. First one, what do the family plan during spring? John's grandpa plans a fishing trip and his mom plans cleaning the house. Second question, why did John's mom expect his help? John's mom expected his help because he had a holiday. Third, give the meanings of the following words. First one, annual, it's yearly. Second, unwillingly, it is not readily. Fourth question, it is again MCQs. First one, Papa was John's grandfather. It's option number B. Second, for John, spring is the time for annual fishing trip. It's option number A. Third, for John's mom, spring is the time for annual cleaning. It's option number D. Fourth, John was ready to help his mom unwillingly. It's option number C. Now we'll continue with the question number 5, that is who said the following to whom and when. First one, spring is here. Pop-up said to John when John was eating cookies. Second, I was thinking more of our annual spring cleaning. Mom said to John and Pop-up when they were planning their fishing trip. Now the question answers. First one, what did John and his mom clean? John and his mom cleaned everything that was upstairs, inside and outside the house. Second, why did mom decide to throw away Pop-up's chair? Mom decided to throw away Pop-up's chair because it was old, faded, worn and torn in some places. Third question, give the meanings of the following words. First one, spotless, means very clean. Second, unsightly, it means ugly. Now the MCQ, the chair was faded, worn and torn. It's option number B. Now question number 5, that is who said the following to whom and when. That old chair has got to go. Mom said to John when they were cleaning the house. Now the question answer, what did Pop-up do when he saw John and his mom taking away the chair? When Pop-up saw John and his mom taking away the chair, he blocked their way and objected. Now question number 2, that is give the meanings of the following words. First one, to attempt means to try. Second one, to object means to go against. Now the MCQs, Pop-up objected to remove the chair. It's option number B. Question number 4, who said the following to whom and when? You can't take my chair. Pop-up said to John and his mom when they were taking away the chair. Now the question answer, did Pop-up want a new chair? So the answer is no, Pop-up did not want a new chair. Now question number 2, give the meanings of the following words. So first one, to insist means not to take no for an answer. And second, to convince means to make someone agree to something. Now question number 3, that is MCQs again. First one, mom argued with Pop-up. It's option number B. Second, Pop-up's voice trembled. It's option number C. Now the question answers, who is Matt? So the answer is Matt is John's father. Question number 2, give the meaning of the following word, that is to get rid of means to throw away. Now the MCQs, first one, mom gave up. It's option number D. Second, Pop-up was relieved. It's option number A. Now question number 4, who said the following to whom and when? I give up. Mom said to Pop-up and John when Pop-up refused to throw away the chair. Now the question answer, what did Grandpa remember about the chair? Grandpa remembered that he sat on the chair when he asked Grandma to marry him. Second, what does Grandpa feel when he sits in the chair and closes his eyes? When grandpa sits in the chair and closes his eyes, he feels grandma is near him. Now question number 3, that is MCQ. When grandpa sits in the chair, he feels grandma is near. It's option number A. Now the question answer. What did grandpa remember about the chair? Grandpa remembered that he sat on the chair when John's father was born. Second, why was John amazed? John was amazed because Pop-Up remembered things from the past, but in present he forgot almost everything. Now question number 3, that is give the meanings of the following words. First one, amazing means surprising. Second, nervous means worried. Now question number 4, that is MCQs. In the present, Pop-Up forgets almost everything. It's option number B. Now the question answer. What did grandpa remember about the chair? Grandpa remembered that he sat on the chair when grandma died. Second, how did the chair help grandpa when grandma died? When grandma died, grandpa was lost without her, but the chair gave him comfort and warmth. Now the MCQ. The chair gave grandpa comfort and warmth. It's option number D. Now question number 4. Who said the following to whom and when? I think I am beginning to understand. John said to Pop-Up when Pop-Up told him about how much the chair meant to him. Now the MCQ. The chair is like Pop-Up's friend. It's option number C. Now question number 2. Who said the following to whom and when? I am sorry, Pop-Up, I do see now. John said to Pop-Up when he realized how important the chair was to him. Now the question answer. When did Dad and Mom put the chair out of the house? Dad and Mom put the chair out of the house when John and Pop-Up were asleep. Now the MCQ. Blanket of white means snow. It's option number B. Now the question answer. What was Grandpa's reaction when he saw the chair on the footpath? When Grandpa saw the chair on the footpath, he started crying. Second question. Why did John stop the men from carrying the chair away? John stopped the man from carrying the chair away because he understood that the chair meant a lot to Grandpa. Now question number 3, that is MCQs. First one. When John saw the chair on the footpath, he was shocked. It's option number B. Second, John stopped the men from taking away the chair. It's option number A. Now question number 4. Who said the following to whom and when? Wait, don't take the chair. John said to the men when they were taking away the chair. Now first again give the meaning of the following word. To realize means to understand. Question number 2 is MCQ. Mom said sorry to Pop-Up. It's option number C. Third, who said the following to whom and when? John and I will bring the chair back inside. Mom said to Pop-Up when she understood how important the chair was for Pop-Up. Now question number 1, give the meaning of the following words. First one, to brush off means to remove. Second, wholeheartedly means happily. Now question number 2, that is MCQs. John and Mom put the chair next to the fireplace. It's option number D. Second, the chair gave the room a certain touch of character. It's option number B. Third, John and Pop-Up agreed that the living room would be dull without the chair. It's option number C. Now question number 3, that is who said the following to whom and when? I guess it does give the room a certain touch of character. Mom said to herself when she brought the chair back into the house. Now again question answers. What does the poet offer to do when her friend becomes sad? When the poet's friend becomes sad, she offers to dry up her tears. Second, what will the poet do when her friend is scared? When the poet's friend is scared, she will ease her fears. Now third one is MCQ. I will ease your fears means I will support you so that you will have less tension. It's option number C. Fourth question. Write the rhyming words. sad, scared, tears and fears. Now the second part means the second paragraph's question answers. First one, when does the poet offer to help her friend? The poet offers to help her friend when she is scared, worried and when she wants to give up. Second, when will the poet give her friend hope? When the poet's friend is worried, she will give her hope. Third one, I will help you cope means it's option number B, I will help you face the situation. Fourth, if the poet's friend wants to give up, she will help her cope with it. Fifth, write the rhyming words. So hope and cope are the rhyming words. Now the third paragraph question answers. First one, what does the poet offer to do when her friend can't see the light? When the poet's friend can't see the light, she offers to be her guiding light. Second, when you are lost means you do not know what to do. It's option number B. Third, write the rhyming words. So light and bright are the rhyming words. Now the fourth paragraph question answers. First one, what do the words I pledge to the end mean? I pledge to the end means I promise till my death. Second, this is my oath that I pledge to the end means this is my promise for ever. It's option number A. Third one, write the rhyming words. So end and friend are the rhyming words. Now question number 3, that is the simple present tense. So you need to write the following sentences in the simple present tense. First one, the farmer caught the thief. The answer is the farmer catches the thief. Second, the children played in the garden. So the answer is the children play in the garden. Third, I completed my work. So answer is I complete my work. Fourth, mother went to the market. So the answer is mother goes to the market. Fifth, the elephant ate bananas. So the answer is the elephant eats bananas. Sixth, Ramu watered the plants. The answer is Ramu waters the plants. Seventh, Sheila drew pictures. The answer is Sheila draws pictures. 8. Mihir wrote a letter to his mother. The answer is Mihir writes a letter to his mother. 9th, they bought a new house. The answer is they buys a new house. 10th, the principal scolded the students. So the answer is the principal scolds the students. 11th, the peon rang the bell. The answer is the peon rings the bell. 12th, the boys studied in the library. So the answer is the boys study in the library. 13th, Hemant flew kites. So the answer is Hemant fly kites. 14th, Arjun passed the test. So the answer is Arjun passes the test. 15th, Kanta washed clothes. So the answer is Kanta washes clothes. Now question number 4. Suppose you are sick. Your friend Alka or Keyur has come to see you. Write your conversation in the form of a dialogue. So Alka or Keyur is telling, hi Umang, how are you feeling now? So you are telling, hi Alka, I'm not feeling well at all. I have high fever and a severe headache. Alka is telling, what does the doctor say? So you are telling, oh, he say it's flu. I will have to take medicines and complete bed rest for a few days. Now Alka is telling, you must. Look, I have got some storybooks for you. I know you like to read. So you are telling, oh, how nice. Thank you so much, Alka. And Alka is telling, you are welcome and get well soon. We all miss you in the school. So you are telling, yes, I also miss all of you. I am worried about my studies. Alka is telling, don't worry, Umang. I will get all the notes for you. We all will help you. So you are telling, thank you again. Will you please give this leave note and medical certificate to our teacher tomorrow? So Alka is telling, sure, I will. Take care. Bye-bye. And you are telling, bye and please come again. I enjoyed talking to you. Now question number 5, that is homophones and homonyms. So you can see the homophones that are already given and you need to fill in the blanks with the correct homophones. So the example you can see, and the first one, we should not waste water. Please tie the rope around your waist. So you need to write the correct spelling at the place of the correct meaning. Second, Jeet's boat has a big sail. There is a scale in that shop. Third, where are you going? What will you wear for the party? Fourth, Neeta is a dear friend of mine. We saw many deer in the zoo. Fifth, can you bring your toys here? We could hear the sound of the bells. Sixth, please give me one pencil. Our team won the match. Seventh, we pray to God in the morning. The lion was hunting for a prey. 8. What is the fare for Gandhinagar? We had a lot of fun at the fair. 9th. What is the weight of this bag? Can you wait for a few minutes? 10th. The sun rises in the east. Mohit is Mr. Patel's son. 11th. Do you know your new neighbor? No, I do not know them. 12th. Tom ate the whole apple. The rabbit jumped into a hole. 13th. This is our school. The bus will reach school after an hour. 14th. Mona ate a piece of cake. Gandhiji believed in peace. 15th. The elephant has a short tail. Have you heard the tale of the jackal and the lion? Now the homonyms. So you can see the homonyms that are given in the workbook. And you need to make sentences using the given homonyms. And you can also see the examples that is given for saw. Now the first one for that, light. The parcel was very light to carry. The light of the sun was very bright. Second, letter, which is the fifth letter of the alphabet. She wrote a letter to her uncle. Third, fine. Nitin is fine now. The policeman asked the car driver to pay a fine. Fourth, address. He didn't knew his own address. Nelson Mandela addressed the public. Fifth, watch. What is the time in your watch? Did you watch the whole movie? Sixth, iron. Suman will iron the clothes. There are iron swings in the garden. Seventh, kind. He is not cruel kind of a person. The teacher is really kind to his students. 8. Ring. Who will ring the bell? The king lost his ring. 9th. Trip. We went on a trip to Agra. He tripped down the floor accidentally. 10th. Right. The coffee shop is on the right side. His answer was right that time. 11th. Rose. Mohan rose from his chair and spoke. The rose is a symbol of love. 12th. Trunk. Mohan tied the rope round the trunk of banyan tree. Grandmother puts her books in an old trunk. 13th. Book. I put my book in the drawer. Will you book the railway tickets? 14th. Spring. My favorite season is spring. He sprung from the top floor because of depression. 15th. Present. Priya got a present from her father who was present in the class. Now we'll continue with the last question, that is, write a short paragraph on my best friend. So Anant Karnik is my best friend. Anant is my neighbor. He is from Nasik in Maharashtra. He is a Maharashtrian. He speaks Marathi at home, but Anant understands and speaks Gujarati very well. I met Anant when he and his family came to live next to our house about 3 years ago. Soon we became good friends. Anant is a tall and active boy. He is good in sports and studies. He usually gets good marks. He always helps me when I have some difficulty, but he is weak in maths, so I always help him to solve sums because maths is my favorite subject. Anant and I like to play chess and football. I am happy that I have Anant as my best friend. And here we come to the end of chapter number 2, that is friendship. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.